You can also go ahead and change your account information easily inside of WordPress.com as needed. So for that, first of all, you need to go around onto your profile section on the top right hand side and click on My Profile. And over here on the left hand side, you can see that account settings is an option. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and change around your let's say for example your username as well, but the old username will be disabled if you were to do this. You can go ahead and confirm your new username right here as well if you want to, but I'm just going to go around and keep it as it is. You can also go ahead and change around your email address right here and update it out from over here as well, and you'll get a verification, and then your account will be linked to the new email as well. But I'm just going to go around and keep it as it is. So here I only have one site, so this is set as the primary site itself. But if you have more sites, then you can simply go ahead and set up more sites right here. Apart from that, you got the interface language that you can choose right here. So you can go ahead and choose something like, let's say for example, this one right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and apply out the changes right here, then you can see that this is what you have right here. It changes out the language right here, just like this, into an Indonesian language. Well, let me just go around over here and change it back into English again, and then just set it out. And then what happens is that it gets changed into English again. So over here, you can see that in admin home, you can display all the sites instead of just the primary site right here as well, so that you can simply see all of the sites that you have here. So you can see that this is the dashboard color scheme as well that you can access from your profile. And then you also have an option to delete out your account. So if you don't want your account anymore, then you can simply go ahead and delete out your account permanently as well if you want to. And that is how you can go ahead and change around the account information as you like inside of WordPress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.